You need to hear this if you drive a Hyundai Elantra and your dashcam suddenly stopped working. Simple fixes are often all you need. Here's what to try before heading to the shop. First things first, check if your dashcam's power cable is firmly plugged in. Sometimes vibrations from driving can loosen it just enough to cut the power. Next, see if your vehicle's 12V socket or USB port is working. Try plugging in your phone or another device. If it doesn't charge, the problem might be with your car, not the dashcam. Still nothing? Inspect the dashcam's memory card. A full or corrupted card can stop the camera from starting. Remove it, reinsert it, or try a new card. Don't forget about the fuse. The dashcam and your car's power outlets rely on a fuse that can blow out, especially after power surges. Your owner's manual will show you where to find and check this fuse. Finally, if your dashcam powers on but won't record, check its settings or reset it to factory defaults. Sometimes a quick reset is all it takes. If none of these steps work, you might need a new dashcam, or it could be a wiring issue. But try these simple fixes first. They solve most problems fast. Good luck and drive safe.